Ever wondered how Idaho state agencies manage their finances? Or maybe you're just here for the data drama. Either way, let's dive into Transparent Idaho and see what we can uncover. Transparent Idaho makes exploring state financial data ridiculously easy. First, scroll down to the transaction report. Look at this, state expenditure data just waiting for you to explore. Now let's play around with some filters. Let's add a quick filter for a specific agency. And just like that, the data adjusts instantly. Changed your mind? No problem. Filters are as easy to remove as deleting an embarrassing social media post. Now let's talk details. See this table? You can control it in so many ways. Let's start with the fiscal year column. Here you can sort A to Z, Z to A, or go full detective mode with filters. Let's pick drop down and pick a year. You can also filter by agency code. Transparent Idaho gives you the power to slice and dice the data like a pro, whether you're hunting for trends, outliers, or just curious about state spending. Want to uncover more fascinating insights? Head over to transparent.idaho.gov and start your own data adventure.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.